In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your windshield washer fluid reservoir on your Hyundai Accent 1.6 liter. It's located on the passenger side inside the wheel well. All right, so the washer reservoir is right here. We're going to siphon out the fluid first, and I'm going to use some hose, shove it way down in there. This one's a deep one, and I'm going to use something to suck it on the other end, which is our siphon. And now I have a container lower than the reservoir, so once I get the sucking to start, it will continue. So once it gets going, you can take it out and put the hose in the bucket, and it should just siphon out all the fluid. All right, so we got most of it out, but just get as much as you can out. It'll make your life a little easier. Put the cap back on, and now we're gonna go in the wheel well. All right, so we're gonna remove our push pins here. You're gonna use a trim tool. These are not what came with the car. They look like replacements. You probably have the screw ones, Phillips screws. So you can unscrew them and then pop them out. We're gonna go to the wheel well now. Using a Phillips head, we're gonna unscrew our plastic grommet here. You might have to apply a little pressure underneath it to get that to come out. Set that off to the side. And do the same on this top one. So we're gonna peel this back. You gotta kind of peel it out of the wheel well a little bit. And we're not gonna take it out. We're just gonna pull it in front of us. Towards us, should I say, and then bring it over the rotor without damaging anything, like that. So now we're going to take this bolt and this bolt out, and there's also a hook on the new part. So the hook is right there. So after we take out those two bolts, we're just going to pick it up and pull it out after we disconnect this connector, these two hoses, and then the hook in the back. All right, using a 10 millimeter, we're going to loosen up these bolts. I'm going to leave that hooked up for now so I can disconnect my hoses and my connector. So you're going to disconnect your hose on this side. Make sure you have something to catch the remainder liquid that comes out. And you can disconnect your connector by pushing in on the tab, pulling up. Put that off to the side. And then on the opposite side, there's another hose, and you're going to want to disconnect that. All right, so disconnect these hoses off the tank and just let them hang down and follow them down to the side. Disconnect the harness. You're basically just unhooking everything off that tank, and then you're just going to put it off to the side. And now we can lift up, and it should come out like that. All right, so we're going to feed this up into the hole where it belongs, and then we're going to hook this on first. All right, so we're going to feed this up into the engine compartment and find the little hook on the tank, guide it onto, you're going to have to go by feel, but you're going to guide it onto that and push down. And that should secure it enough to be able to position your harness back on the tank and your hoses up and over. So let's do that. I'm going to go for my hoses first. I'm going to put them up here, and then I'm going to have them come around this way. And now we're going to just put our harness in the tank itself, secure it. There we go. And then we can put our hose on the back side here, and then we can put our other hose on the front, and we're going to plug in our harness. Just make sure your plug is on there good, and you heard that click. I'm just going to start them by hand. Make sure we don't cross thread anything. And now we can snug those up. Using a 10 millimeter, we're going to tighten them up. Now we're going to go up top and put the washer fluid in. So we're going to pull this fender liner down. Get it back inside the spot. And I'm going to line up everything. And we're going to put our push pin back here first. Then we're going to do the one up top here. Push that in. And then the two on the bottom. All right, make sure this flap here is secured. And then you can put your push pins in to secure the lower flap. Now we're gonna go up top and fill it up. All right, you're gonna wanna use something for a funnel, and we're just gonna fill our washer fluid up. All right, so now we're full. You can see it. So now you can shut your cap and have fun washing your windshield.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.